Alright, this is a quick review of this Anodizing Racing slip-on muffler you can purchase off of Amazon, and it works great on the Ninja 300. This is a 2017. It was fairly easy to install. I used the factory clamp here. These springs are the hardest parts to install. Everything you see here is included. There's a clamp here that attaches around the body of the slip-on. I use the factory bolt here to attach the coupler to where the factory location goes, and I left the baffle in, but there's a cap, a heavy metal cap that goes on top of the baffle that I removed. So the baffle still provides a little back pressure, but it still sounds great. Overall, if you have questions on the Ninja 300, it's a fantastic bike, great for starter, just daily driving, daily riding. It's fantastic, but I am going to get something bigger for my next bike. I haven't decided exactly what yet, but let's fire this up.